The inviting living room features French oak flooring, Pottery Barn sconces, updated windows, and a stunning plaster surround gas fireplace. The elegant dining room showcases original leaded glass windows, designer-inspired wallpaper. It was inspired by the majestic oak tree outside, and a second gas fireplace. The chef's kitchen is an absolute showstopper with custom inset cabinetry, marble countertops and backsplash, a honed granite island, concealed dishwasher, a 48-inch Big Chill gas range, and a dream pantry complete with a Big Chill refrigerator and coffee bar. French doors open to an expansive screened porch with a gas fireplace, creating an absolutely perfect space for year-round entertaining. The luxurious primary suite offers a custom walk-in closet and a spa-like bath featuring quartzite countertops, a freestanding soaking tub, and an oversized steam shower. The guest bedrooms are connected by a beautifully appointed Jack and Jill bath with marble finishes. And the third floor provides a versatile fourth bedroom, lounge, or guest retreat with its very own wet bar, kitchenette, and separate HVAC system. Outside, you'll enjoy a private fenced backyard surrounded by mature landscaping, a rare opportunity to own a meticulously restored Fairmount Boulevard home where no detail has been overlooked.